Now in this video, we are going to cover another concept in Bootstrap which will help us out in highlighting the content in your web page. And here we are going to discuss about wells. Basically, whenever you will apply the well class in any div and you will put some text inside it, basically the background of that particular segment will be grayish and that would be highlighted in your web page. So let's get started with wells and let's see a very simple implementation using this particular class.
Now here you can see when I'm using class well against this particular text in output will be bordered and background by the grayish box. As here you can see I'm well. So it is like a particular background inside which you are placing this text. This is not very similar to the Jumbotron, as Jumbotron also increases the size along with giving the border. So let's use Jumbotron out here, and when I'll execute, you will see now this one is consuming more area, alright, and if I would have put any heading inside it, it would be increased in size, alright, but rather here in well it is just bothered by a grayish background, but it is not increased in size, it's not taking more space like Jumbotron. So just to highlight few words in your web page, you can make the use of this well rather than Jumbotron. Alright, so this is how you can start working with it.